Hey guys, we are going to convert each of these decimals to a percentage, and I bet it's probably going to be easier than you think. So to convert these, all I have to do is move the decimal place over twice, meaning 0.26 is 26%. Yes, it is that easy. But if you're like, why? Why is that 26%? That's something I would ask. Well, let me give you the quickest decimal review of your life. So when we have a number just like this, we're probably used to this. This is the ones, the tens, the hundreds. It keeps going, right? Well, after the decimal also has place values. This is the tenths, the hundredths, the thousandths. And again, it keeps going that way. So when we look at this, if we were to read this number as a decimal, we would say 26 hundredths. Do you hear the THS? So if I were to write this as a fraction, which if you need a reminder of how to change decimals to fractions, I'll link a video for you. But this would be 26 hundredths. I could then simplify that if I wanted to, but I don't want to. Because what percentage actually means is per 100. So you see this is 26 per 100, which is the same as 26%. Oh my gosh, it's magic. Okay, so this one, we'd move the decimal place over twice. It's 88%. Again, if I were to read that, it would be 88 hundredths or 88 per 100. This one is going to be 36%. Now, this is where it can be sometimes kind of tricky because you might want to do 70%. But if I move this over twice, it's going to be 7%. So if I'd wanted to write this as a fraction, it would be 7 100ths. Okay, so 7%. This guy's going to be 63%. This is another one that you might have to think about for a second because you might be tempted to say 4%. But remember, to get 7%, it was 0.07. So on this one, if I were to move it over twice, I get 40%. So as a fraction, 0.4, you can write it as 4 tenths, or you can also write it as 40 hundredths. Those are equal to each other, which percent means per 100. So 40 over 100 or 40%. All right, I hope that helps. If you need some more percent videos, I will link a playlist. Thanks.